sources of AC power you have in your boat? Three, no? One source of power is the shore power. The shore power here, no? The pedestal. And the pedestal is connected here to the outlet of the boat. Where is located this outlet?
On the boat. On the boat, on the outside.
Outside of the boat. You remember this? Yeah? In some boats, one in one side, other in the other side. But this is the outlet, the AC outlet. AC outlet. And the shore power coming from the pedestal enter here. Where is coming that power? The power of the pedestal.
FPL.
Yes, in Florida, in the United States, FPL. Who is familiarized with the marinas? You know that in a marina, the boats are parked here, and in front of each boat is one pedestal, and you connect the boat to the pedestal. This element with a lot of pedestal is the dock. Normally in a dock, you have 1, 2, 3, 10, 12 pedestals, depend of the dock, depend of the marina. At the beginning of the dock, you found an electrical cabinet with a big transformer. And that transformer supply power for, if you open the cabinet, the doors, you see breakers, big breakers for pedestal 1, pedestal 2, pedestal 3, pedestal 4, yeah? I have a problem in the pedestal 17. I open the cabinet at the beginning of the dock and I check, oh yeah, the breaker is popped. I have a problem on that pedestal or on the cable or on the boat, a short, and the breaker. Here in this cabinet you have a big transformer. In the other dock, other 17 pedestals, other transformer. In the other dock, other transformer. In this marina I have 7 transformers. And those 7 transformers in the marina depend of the big transformer outside of the street, the big one. It's exactly the same like in your neighbor. If you check in your neighbor, the block, this is your home, but your home is part of this block. And this block receives power from that transformer. And the other block for other transformers. And those 6 transformers from a big transformer in the park, yeah? Finally, the power that I receive in my boat is coming from this pedestal. And of course, this pedestal received from the main transformer at the beginning of the dock, and the main from the transformer on the street, and the transformer on the street for the main transformer, yeah? It's a process. This is the AC current. Where is coming that AC current transformer to transformer to transformer? Where is coming that current? For example, here in Florida, where is coming? There are different sources, no? From Okeechobee Lake, from the nuclear plant in Port St. Lucie, or yeah, there are different sources of power. This is the source of power number 1 in a boat. What is the second one for AC?
The generator.
The generator. The generator. And what is the other source of power? The number 3, the inverter. Look at the inverter. The inverter receives positive, negative from the battery bank. And in the other side, produce hot, neutral ground. AC power, and the AC power enter here in the switch selector. This is the inverter. The inverter converts DC into AC. Okay, it's an electronic process. We are going to study that process with a lot of loss of power. But it's good. It's good. For that reason, if you are navigating in your boat, the shore power is not connected. The idea is power from the generator. No, Mr. Lopez, if I don't have generator, I want one of these. All right, but how many batteries you need to supply AC power for the entire day in a big boat? A lot of batteries. Oh, no problem, because I have solar. Solar is not enough to charge those battery banks. Yeah? This one is for emergency, for some specific equipments. Okay, I am going to stop my generator for a couple of hours, and I am going to supply power for the AC panel from the inverter. But I am going to use, when the inverter is running, only this, and this. The other breakers, no, because it's an emergency, only to 2 hours or 3 hours, only those lights, refrigerator, and that's it. No, I need air condition and jacuzzi. No. Air condition jacuzzi is with this or this. No jacuzzi with inverter. No sauna with inverter. Oh, a couple of lights, a couple of fans, 1 refrigerator, 2 refrigerators, because I have, according with the calculation, the amount of battery support those 6 breakers only 2 hours. This is a current special power for emergency, not for permanent. All right? But later we are going to talk about that. Oh, I want the current in my boat permanently from the inverter. Okay, you need a special configuration. All right, 3 sources of AC power: inverter, generator, and shore power. Oh, Mr. Lopez, what about the nuclear plant? Yeah. Can you install a nuclear plant in your boat? No, Mr. Lopez, no, okay. The solar is not a source of AC. Solar is not considered a source of AC power. With the solar, I can charge the battery bank, and when the battery bank is fully charged, I convert into AC. But I need this. This is cheap. It's the most expensive part in this conversion, the inverter. The majority of the people say, no, I live in Florida, I don't like that, I want solar. From tomorrow, only solar. All right, okay. Okay, then I check. How much is the capacity in kilowatts in your home? 16 kilowatts. Oh, okay. Let me explain something. When I receive a phone call, hey, Mr. Lopez, I want to install an inverter in my boat. I want to eliminate the generator. I want an inverter. Can you visit my boat tomorrow? Yes, I can. But, excuse me, Mr. Customer, I have one requirement. I need that you be over there with your wife. With my wife? No, my wife is busy. Okay. Sunday is possible, your wife? Yeah, on Sunday, 2 p.m. Okay, Sunday, 2 p.m. With your wife? Yeah, with your wife. Right. Okay, you want an inverter for this boat. Okay. Let me check your AC panel. Oh, your AC panel. Okay, yeah. You have 16 kilowatts. It's a big boat, no? A lot. All right. And you want power for all the breakers? All the breakers, the lady. All the breakers. All the day. 24 hours. Okay, let me calculate the amount of batteries and the capacity of the inverter that you need. This is the inverter. And how much is the price of that inverter? Wow. How many batteries I need for 24 hours? Practically, you need another boat for the batteries. No, Mr. Lopez, that's too much money. Okay, talk with your wife. I'm going to make a phone call, and I come back in 5 minutes, and try to eliminate some breakers. And I calculate. I come back 10 minutes later. Okay, Mr. Lopez, we are going to eliminate this, and this. All right. This is the inverter that you need, and this is the amount of battery. Okay, it's better, but it's too much. All right, can you remove more breakers? And finally, they finish with 4 breakers. Because they understand that it's not possible power for all the day, full power for all the equipment. You understand? The solar energy should be converted in AC. It's a process. The people say, I have solar. That's the solution. Finito. No, my friend. You need to buy a lot of batteries. Of course, the solar panels. After that, the batteries. After that, the inverter, the regulator, the cable, papa. It's a lot of money. Okay, you can recover that investment in a couple of years, yeah? But at the beginning, you need money. It's not easy. Oh, I am going to reduce my electrical bill monthly. Okay, all right. But you need a good investment. Of course, you recover the money with the time. But at the beginning, you need good money.